PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair offers furnace repair solutions to businesses located in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Our team of proficient service technicians possess the necessary expertise and training to effectively manage any commercial furnace repair task, regardless of how large it is. We are capable of managing furnace repair tasks of any size. In the event of a furnace leak or malfunctioning air handler, we will provide a viable solution for you. Contact our commercial furnace repair specialist today to get a free estimate. Are you looking for a commercial furnace repair expert near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. How frequently do furnaces fail? Furnaces that have been properly installed and maintained typically have a lifespan of 12 to 15 years. Older heating systems will require more regular maintenance. Will a faulty thermostat cause a heater to fail to operate? A faulty thermostat might prevent your heater or air conditioner from turning on. This usually means that the wiring has failed. What is your service area for the Allentown office? Our commercial furnace repair experts have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Allentown, Brennigsville, Fullerton, Coopersburg, Quakertown, Northampton, Macungie, Schnecksville, Westwood Heights, Emmaus, Cherryville, Trexlertown, Zionsville, East Greenville, and Germansville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Allentown, Pennsylvania commercial furnace repair office located? We are located at 1132 Hamilton Street, number 203, Allentown, Pennsylvania 18101. Our phone number is 610-672-3042. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Hamilton-ST-Allentown-HVAC-service.